So today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin. And, today is actually a pretty historic day. The new president, Trump, is going to be sworn into office. And, that's going to have a significant impact potentially on a lot of things, including the crypto markets. And as you can see right now, if you're watching this video, you can observe that when we get a green vector on the daily chart, and, a green vector on the daily, a green vector on the daily, a green vector on the daily, it's truly, absolutely incredible. Okay, and there are still about 8 hours left on this particular candle. So today I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin, and I'm going to explain, in my opinion, exactly where I see it heading. And, I'm also going to show you how you might be able to achieve gains, much like I and my team have been able to do. So let's recap what has actually happened so far. What you are seeing here is the Crypto-Quebec indicator. This particular indicator, along with the candles and the volume vectors, is essentially what we call the Crypto-Quebec vector indicator. And, the cloud that you're observing on the screen is actually generated by the Crypto-Quebec suite indicator. This suite of indicators is available for free on my Discord server, and it genuinely allows me to see precisely when is the optimal time to enter or exit a trade. Now, if you look here, notice how the indicator is dipping down towards the bottom boundary. This is consistently a very good area to consider. If you recall, I mentioned in a previous video, and you can go back and check the archives, that when the indicator hits the bottom, it represents a strong buying opportunity. And indeed, it pushed significantly upwards afterward. If you perform backtesting, you'll observe that when the indicator is at a low point, it's a favorable time to position yourself. When it's at the bottom of the channel, it's good. When it's low, it's good. Now, you might be thinking, well, those don't look like massive impulses. You might say, row, 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 row.
Once you join the Discord server, you can access the indicators within the dedicated indicator section, where you'll find these 3 powerful tools. And subsequently, if you're interested, you can also join me on my various trading platforms. For example, if you choose to utilize the Bitmart platform, you can enter your email, sign up, and potentially receive up to a 10,000 USDT bonus. Similarly, BitGet offers an 8,000 USDT bonus. BingX provides a 5,400 USDT bonus, and Bluefin offers a 300 USDT bonus. After you've registered on these platforms, you can then send me a direct message here on Telegram, that little paper airplane icon, and I will personally add you to my Crypto-Quebec team. We've already grown to over 5,002 members. At the beginning of this month, we were at 4,270 members, and now we've surpassed 5,002. I strongly encourage you to join us and witness firsthand the incredible results that you see displayed here. These are not my personal gains. These are the results of the individuals who are actively participating and trading alongside me within the team. While I do achieve a high win rate, consistently around 85% of my trades, the members who engage with me and trade in sync also experience significant profits, and I proudly showcase their successes by sharing their direct results. Therefore, if you decide to join, I will integrate you into the team. Now, let's stop wasting any more time, because the primary focus is to understand where Bitcoin is headed. Obviously, it becomes much simpler when you have access to the Crypto-Quebec indicators. You can then take your Fibonacci retracement tool, identify your absolute lowest point, and then apply it to your highest point. And it's crucial not to close this particular window prematurely, you understand? Because the window remains open. Okay, so based on my analysis, I believe that by the end of this coming week, we could realistically see a price target around the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. And looking further out,